Magati fellow Zimbabweans, ndini wenyu Blessed Geza, Cde Bombshell. Chekutanga, I want to thank you Zimbabweans for heeding our call to take action. I've been in the streets of Harare this morning to assess the situation. The streets were empty, absolutely empty. And I received similar reports from other cities. This is very encouraging. You have sent a clear message that you want Emerson and his corrupt cabal, Zigananda, to go. This is the beginning of a series of events to send him packing. And we want to assure you that he is going in the shortest possible time. National Betakabzanya, momentum ought to be maintained. We have observed police barbaric actions against innocent